Welcome to our Helios installation video presented by Architectural Fabrication. Let's begin by showing you a breakdown of the Helios components. Gutter fascia, deck pans, cross members, canopy brackets, overhead supports, yokes, wall brackets, scuppers, and flashing. When the units arrive, locate the fasteners, sealant, touch-up paint, hardware like brackets and scuppers, overhead supports if required, flashing, and shop drawings. Each unit should be numbered so that while unloading, you can verify the measurements with the schedule in the approved submittals. Start by finding the center of the opening. From here, you can mark the wall at the proper elevation. This measurement can be found on the section page of the submittals. Use a level to make a top line across the wall for the canopy. Use this line to measure up for the wall brackets. These measurements can be found on the section page and the plan view page of the submittals. Once you have the measurements, mark the wall accordingly. Use the wall bracket to mark the holes. It should look something like this. Now you're ready to drill the holes. For this project, we're using a 3/8 bit for the pilot holes and a 3/8 concrete anchor. Be sure to make the hole depth a little deeper than the length of the fastener. Now simply grab your fasteners and attach the bracket to the wall. Make sure the bracket is level before tightening all the fasteners. Repeat this process for the remaining brackets. On this project, we went ahead and attached the center overhead support before lifting the canopy into place. Once the canopy is up, we would not be able to reach it from our ladders. We will cover the overhead support attachment a little later in this video. Next, attach the scuppers to the canopy. Next, we move our lift into position. Carefully place the canopy on the lift and raise it up to the proper elevation. Once the canopy is lined up, go ahead and drill the pilot hole and insert one fastener. Next, check your level and repeat this process on the other side. When installing the overhead supports, always insert the clevis pin from the outside of the canopy. Insert the cotter pin and bend the ends to secure it. Now you can attach the canopy brackets. Simply insert the bolts and tighten the nuts on the other side. Before attaching the overhead support to the canopy, check your level and use the lift to make any adjustments needed. Once level, adjust the yoke and insert the clevis pin and the cotter pin. Repeat this process on the other side. Now it's time to install the flashing. When installing the flashing, make sure it's flush with the end of the canopy. Simply drill the pilot hole and attach the fastener. For this, we're using a 1/4 inch drill bit and a 1/4 inch concrete anchor. Continue this process down the canopy, attaching at every 4 to 5 feet. Once the flashing is secured, you can go ahead and apply the sealant. It's also a good idea to add sealant around each fastener. When wiping off the canopy, be sure and look for any nicks or scratches that might need touching up. Once it's wiped down, go ahead and grab your touch-up paint and touch up the scupper screws, the wall bracket fasteners, and any nicks or scratches. Now just double check that the canopy is clean and take some completion photos and you're ready for the next one. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please visit our website at www.arch-fab.com.